Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm showing you how I use the I Heart Revolution bunny palettes to do this eyeshadow look. The two bunny palettes that I am going to be using are Stardust and Fluffy. Stardust is full of khakis and brown tones, and Fluffy is full of pinks and warm tones. Lay a concealer onto your eyelid as an eyeshadow base. Use the same concealer to carve out the underneath side of your brow if you haven't already. Blend this evenly across your lid using a damp beauty sponge. Firstly, you need to pack the pink tone shade from the Fluffy palette into your crease and begin to blend it towards the temple. For extra precision, you can swap between a larger and a smaller fluffy brush when you move from the crease to pack the same shade onto the lid. Use a concealer on a flat brush to carve out the inner half of your crease. Use a clean brush to tap the concealer out to create an even base. Using another flat brush, pick up the purple iridescent shimmer shade from the Fluffy palette and pack this into the cut crease area. Go back into the pink shade and apply this in the outer corner and blend inwards towards the purple shade to create an even blend between the purple and the pink. Use a clean finger to tap over the edge of the purple shade to slightly bring the shimmer across onto the pink. For the lower lid, take the large khaki yellow shade from the Stardust palette and apply this directly below the lash line on the lower lid and out towards the temple. Highlight the inner corner of your eyes using the champagne pink shimmer shade from the Fluffy palette. To finish your shadows, add a pop of shimmer to the lower lid by applying the shimmery yellow shade from the Fluffy palette right up against the lash line on the lower lid. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler and then apply mascara to your top and your bottom lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Doll Beauty Liza Lashes, however you can use any fan shaped lashes you have available. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and come back when both are finished. And that's the final look using the I Heart Revolution Bunny palettes. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below if you like the look. Make sure to like the video as it helps me out a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.